Bammy from scratch, fried plantain, and the jerk fish, you see me? Yeah. Only thing left now the ice cream we just have in the freezer, go and chill. And that is it. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Welcome back to another Sunday dinner series here on Morris Time Cooking. You don't know the thing, but this is week 4, so log in. What we have today on the menu? We have some jerk parrot fish. Yeah, man, we have some Bammy on the menu. We are going to do some fried plantain. We are going to do some homemade ice cream. First thing we're going to start off with is a homemade ice cream. We're going to make the Bammy from scratch. And as I said before, all of these recipes are on the channel in detailed tutorials, so you can check it out at your convenience. Without further delay, come in and you can jump in at the kitchen. If you love the vibe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. You see me I say? And subscribe, man. Big up. I'm going to be making some, I just want to run a Saturday. So I kick off video, we're going to make some ice cream, right? Normally me use some 35% cream. I'm going to kickstart everything, right? So you wake up on a Sunday, you want to start out with the ice cream if that's what you're going to be making. I'm going to use the entire 1 liter of the cream. And what you basically want to do, you want to whip this. Yeah, man, you want to whip this until you reach to a nice stiff peak, right? So you get a whisk attachment. If you don't have one of these, what you call this again? One of these mixers, and you have the hand mixer, you can use that as well. So we'll seal that up, and we're going to start off slow. Because when I want to splash out, I will mix it until it comes nice and thick. Yeah, you see when you touch on Sundays, I just want to have one of my earphones in music a blast. And I cook and just full job myself. This is one of the days I run off and I make nice. Yeah, so the ice cream we run off. That's the first thing you want to get done, the ice cream, because that is vital. You see me I say? Because you know you need at least 4 hours minimum to make it freeze up on them things. So I'll show you later when that's done. Pretty slow. You see that? Show no what I go on. Show no what I go on. Look. You see that? You see that? Nice and thick. Alright, we'll get that done. That's what you want. We're gonna add a little bit of salt, because anytime we are doing nothing sweet, we want to put a little bit of salt. You know the thing, to balance out the sweetness, right? So tip a little bit of pink salt. Nothing too crazy because we don't want it salty, but we just mild out that sweetness upon the palate, you know. Thing almost done. A little bit of vanilla from your little work hard and it come true. Babylon don't like you. You do treat. Nothing moves. That's what you think you prove. Alright. After that, now get some condensed milk. You see me I say? And you sweeten to your liking. I go into the whole can because of the amount of thing that me having at this. You call it? The amount of any name that's up there. It's a basic ice cream where you can make your yard, man, and you can control the sweetness according to your liking. Alright, then you got some boom now. I will mix that again. Get everything mixed in nicely. Here's a more technical way to make ice cream, but you can whip this up. You and the kids, anybody can whip this up at home. Of course, we're gonna scrape the sides. Make sure that everything is fully incorporated, right? Yeah, man. Come through. Take half of this. Show now I go down now. So I get half of this. Pour it out in a bowl. As I say, we make 2 ice creams. Dragon stout. We have that on the channel. Guess what I gotta use? No a spoon, man. You see me, we use anything. I open the thing. So I go in with half cup. Or half of the dragon. Like that. That's good, that's good. Rest up for me. Mix that in. Again, when I mix this too long. Alright, so again, you want to scrape so everything mixes in, right? That is it. I'm gonna pour that in our bowl. Holy, too much. Jaja. Hey. See, that is it, you know. So we'll lock up that. Normally you can put plastic wrap over this, but I don't need that because I have one of these containers, you know. I say see it there. So this is the dragon stout. Put that to the side. Alright. Next up, some Oreo, because you don't know. Kids them are going to eat. Oh, I'm going to have to tear up the pack. The kids them are going to want some of the ice cream, right? I'm going with about half pack of this. Or half pack. Put them on some plastic wrap. Find anything you can find and smash it. With the cream and everything. Just drop that in. Nice. I will just mix that in nicely. Hopefully this can fit it. I will just scrape it in. Throw these in your freezer and 4 to 6 hours you're good to go. If you can do this from Saturday night, if you want it for Sunday for the kids them, the family, you can do that. So I'm gonna clean up some fish and them thing there for throw up on the grill and something, right? So check in. Now work on some cassava first for the Bammy. You see me I say? If I use some sweet cassava, you can use the regular cassava. I like use sweet cassava because it's quick and efficient, yeah? So come. And if me come in early, what a great youth. Because I'm out of this right, I must stay so. Live. When they're done that, just want to get me money, right? Alright, so right here we have some cassava. I'm going to be making the Bammy. Let's cut that. I say, just cut them down. Feel like you have a little wax pan, you know. You can basically just peer it down, rise it up, get some oil pan my hand. Get some oil pan your hand because you don't know anything go. Now the hand stain. But yeah. Just peel it back like so. Alright. Get a bigger knife. Root, you know. So you get it like that, I like to split it down the middle. And get out the little root, that's it, you know what I say? Because this, when you have this root in there, it's not a pleasant little taste, so I like to cut out this root. As you see them, I go to the supermarket and I go to Bamm. And I look for 2 Bammy. 2 little Bammy. How much is 2 Bammy? $6. I say a joke, man. I better buy the fresh cassava and come make it myself. And that way me get this taste I want and the control of the size, right? Yeah, so that is that. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of them. Them say work smart and not hard. So see me have all the cassava right here. Cut up, me wash off here a little bit. I have a juicer. Typically as I say great time. The goal is to get out the juice from this. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop this in my juicer and see if I can get the flakes, which is what I want, and this just throw the juice. You see what I say? So I could try it out now and see what I go on. I go work smart, not hard to it. Alright, it can work, you know, it can work, you know. Fully full then now, you know. But it's a going good. I mean, good day.
You have to try really good.
Yeah, man, me there, I'm saying, no, I'm not great at this, you know. I'm not great at this today. Ask if you not work, you know. Ask if you not work. Alright, go on, big boy. See the people that work. Still, I'm going to have to juice it out a little bit, you know, but for the most part, it's doing what I want it to do. Get some water. Even though the purpose of this is to get out the water, but I can't blend it dry, right? We are test a theory today. You see a whole heap of work that the work, more work for great type. Get a strainer. Clean towel strainer, boom, boom, boom. Cheesecloth would be best. That is it. Alright. This is it now. We're gonna grab these 4 corners. Strain that out now. As I said, normally you would have this excess water, but because I blend it out, come on, get it smooth, I have this. So follow me now. Work this up nicely. Alright, here we go. Beauty. And this is what you're left with. Alright? Nice, dry. Everything is fully refined. That's what you're left with. And we're just going to repeat this. See? It's nice and tacky. Look at that. It's tacky. That's what you want. Alright, I have here a piece of cardboard. I'm going to do a makeshift ring mold with some plastic wrap. I'll just wrap that up with a foil. I will just wrap this in a piece of foil, and then we just roll it up. Make it nice and round. And then we go so boom. Tape up that. Follow me now. Put down grease paper. You're gonna grab the cassava, add it to the molder. But one, try get at least 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. So I try get at least 4 of these, right? And we're gonna push it down. Get this. And press it. So I'm gonna use this now. See? Mold it out. So I just pull this. See it there. And level it down. So we get 1 Bammy. See it there? That is it. See it? And then we are going to steam this nicely. Alright, so you have a little pan. And that's a heat. Just put that in your pan. Boom. So that's a 1 Bammy down. Alright? And we're just going to toast this on both sides for about 3 to 5 minutes, right? Cover it up with a lid. and make that go and cook, right? While let that cook, we'll do the rest. Let's go. See there? See there? That is it. You don't have to put no oil. If you want to, you can spritz with a little bit, but just want to toast them. And then good to go. Just make it go and steam. So yeah, I'm going to finish up the next two, and then after that now, we start work on the fish. And we should be good to go. Nothing long and hard, as I say. Only part hard, and when I do the cassava, if you grate it or you blend it or bring it out, that's the hardest part. But everything else was smooth sailing. Let's go. Alright, so we're back up and running. We have here some big, yeah man, parrot fish. We're going to be scaling them nicely. Most of them scale already, you know. Just going to get off the excess scale. If you ask me, fish is something I don't like clean, but hey. You know what? Let's start up the grill. So yeah. How much I pay for one of this? I think it's like $8 per pound for this. Yeah man, see it there. Kinda see the Quranis, you know. Right, that's the issue there. Then clean up your head, that's a good enough. One to them, man. Alright, see the guts there. Not much we doing on the guts of the fish, to be honest. I'll grab my son. Just see Bammy them there, spinning kind of walking away. See Bammy them there. 3 of them nice Bammy we get. Yeah man. Just cut them up later and fry them up, you know? Yeah. I'm made that plan to do sit them up, nothing more about that.
What?
Festival.
Oh, please don't. It's too much. Do it for next day.
Yeah, there you go.
Too much food. That's
Ice cream make already.
Nice. Beautiful fish,
Just left.
Come, Jory. Look at this. Let me take off your clothes. I am so hungry.
Yeah, the fish, you know. Real pretty. Big. Alright, so the fish, we already rinse them off. We're gonna get some vinegar. And some fresh lime juice.
He was tired. So I said I'm gonna come home and sleep. I know it was his time.
Put some lime juice on here. Yeah. This is how I like to clean my fish. Get that lime. Rub it. So I already put some slits in here to soak up all that jerk. So you go into the belly. Scrub it out. So there we go. Already clean, wash, rinse, pat dry. I'm gonna make up the marinade for it right now. I have all my seasonings that I'm gonna be using for this jerk marinade. I have here some onion, 2 onion. I have about 4 scotch bonnet pepper and about 2 thumb-sized pieces of ginger. But I went ahead and I cut these into slices. Alright, I also have some fresh thyme. Everything is already washed. And last but not least, I have some fresh scallion. So the real Jamaican scallion with the purple root, not green onion, right? That's not last. And then I have 3 bulbs of fresh garlic. Everything has already been washed. I'm gonna set this to the side. So we'll drop the scallion in. Oh, not yet. Should drop the scallion in. Yeah man, I whip it up, man. Clean up the scallion and everything. Drop that in. And I'll drop one of the onion in. Just cut it up a little bit smaller. Yeah. Gonna add to that some olive oil, about a 1/4 cup. Help with the blending as well as some flavor. half of a fresh lime. So lime juice in. Balance out everything, you know what I say? And a little bit of this, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. Can't have jerk without some pimento berries. So gonna go in with about 2 tablespoons. And if you buy some more, you're done. About a tablespoon of pink salt. Of course, you have to balance out the heat with some brown sugar. Gonna go in some nutmeg. About half a tablespoon of nutmeg in here. And then the same half a tablespoon with some ground cinnamon. These are gonna bring in the jerk flavor. We're gonna need some browning sauce for color. About 2 tablespoons. I want a nice dark color. Add the ginger in here. I'm gonna have to blend this in two because my blender is not big enough. So close that up. I'm just gonna blend that. Blend that up again. I wonder if it's too full. Can't get too full, you know, boy. Well, we are gonna make it happen, you know. Blend up. That tamarind sounds good, eh? Okay. Wee. Here we go, you know. Gonna set some of this in this bowl and we're gonna take it outside to do the seasoning. This here should suffice. You know the vibe. Dragon is right here. We got the fish right here. You see me? I have the marinade right here. We're gonna do the cooking right now. I got some boom. And me I go spray some oil on the grill so that fish them not stick. Alright, so all-purpose seasoning for the fish them. Light, because we're going to go in with the jerk sauce, you know, the jerk marinade, so light. Alright, nothing too salty because I want to taste that jerk come pouring through. And of course, we're going to go in between the slits, flip them over, and repeat the same thing. The jerk sauce itself is flavored, right? Of course, we're gonna go inside. Start already show that jerk marinade. How we're gonna do it now? See all of those slits? Gonna lather this. Here we go. Flip that over. Get in between the slits. Ooh, what does it smell good, man? What does it smell good? Gonna go in the belly of the fish. Take your time because you don't want to cut yourself. Lightly. You don't want to put too much in here. Right? Nice, take a light amount. See it there. Now we're gonna repeat that. See, you see that now? I drop this on the grill, man. You don't know pimento leaf, because we have the jerk. Fresh from yard. Get some of that pimento leaf there. Gonna go in with the fish. Right over the leaf. I'm foreign with it, you know. So they are foreign, I have to give them a foreign style. You see me? Right over the leaf, and that will just soak up the essence from the pimento. There it is. And of course, we're going to use this. Use a brush, and when we need it, we're just going to base it like that. See it there now. jerk fish on the grill. Okay, we'll get some nice color and some char. This should take us about 30 minutes to cook properly. Once you get the flavor from the pimento wood, you can start to see it burn slowly, but the grill is on medium low. Then once you get that flavor, then we can give it a nice char, you see me? Let's go. Cook this for about 15 minutes and we'll check in between time. So I have here some coconut milk. Yeah. Gonna hit that with a little bit of salt. Nothing too crazy. Little bit of nutmeg. Little bit of cinnamon. Some brown sugar. Nothing too crazy. You don't have to do the sugar if you don't want to. You can keep it natural. You know what I say? But I like to make it like I'm making that of a splash of vanilla. I like to do it like I'm making, yeah, splash of vanilla. When I'm making this, I like to do it like I'm doing my what do you call it? Like I'm making some French toast butter, nice and flavorful. See the Bammy them there, nice and fresh. Three of them I get. Just chop that in half. I'll cut those in 4. Just drop them in. I'm gonna allow these to soak up a little bit of that coconut milk. You know what I say? Yeah. Now we can deep fry these. You see me? Yeah, deep fry them nicely. I can't even steam them. I'm gonna leave one of them to steam. I'm gonna soak these in the coconut milk for about 5 or so minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. Soak these. That will infuse, you know, with some flavor. Yes, my G. There we go. So that is it. Now we're gonna just fry them up. This one here, I'm gonna put this on the grill. Just warm it up later on, alright? So I'm gonna leave this one. Alright, so I'll go up on the grill. See, jerk them, I get a pretty color. Alright, we're gonna have to flip them now. Nothing now sticky enough. Yeah. Take your time with them, take your time. Yeah man, so them I get a beautiful color there. Take your time with them, Adrian. See them there? Cook nicely.
You know when it's like super hot, it starts making like those little waves?
Just gonna base that now with a little bit of fresh jerk again. Over on the top. I'll remove these now. Because I want that, you call it, to char these. Keep them on the grill still. So we get the flavor seeping through. Get some color on them, you know? Yeah man, so I get the natural smoke because we did this. You see me? So everything balanced. So as I said, about 30 minutes does the trick, right? Get some oil up here, because that's where I'm gonna put them now. Because we don't want them to burn, or I go inside, or I go fry up with stuff. So flip them over like that. So I went to the orchard and I see they put some green onion. So I go do that. You see me? Yeah man. So then body it up with some green onion. I'm say, you know what? Try that thing because I like fresh taste of the green onion. So or scallion, anything you call it. So I'm gonna leave these up here now. So then go and do the thing. Yeah man, that is it. Just make that one keep warm. So we should be good to go. Right as we put it up on the top. Yeah, I'm gonna fry up the Bammy them and thing now. I'm gonna do up some plantain now. You know, cut up some plant, nothing too serious. Alright, so we're gonna deep fry these. Yeah, man. Fry off them plant, yeah, nice. You see what I say? So we're gonna fry these off nicely. Deep fry them up nice. You see what I say? So I have some fried plantain and we're good to go, you know. Taste one. Hot. The Bammy are fried and we're good to go. I'm showing you the fish. Yeah man, I eat it. Jerk fish up and ready. You see what I say? Everything settled down. See them there? Nice and ready. Don't need them no browner than this. Any browner than this, I'm gonna be tough. Bammy from scratch. Fried plantain. And the jerk fish, you see me? Yeah. Only thing left now the ice cream, just have it in the freezer, I go and chill. And that is it. I had some fish, both couple hours after. Plantain tough out.
That's weird, baby, that's weird.
You love a sweet thing here?
What?
Yeah, you? Love sweet things.
But I told
No, you shall.
we need to talk
No, I do. I ginger beer.
put it into our cameras and then
Like the Bammy.
I don't know. Hold that right now.
Going for the fish now. Alright, so the ice cream now. From morning, then I freezer. I'm on dessert settings. See it there? See it there?
Because there's actual
You see that? Cookie and cream. My camera battery dead a while ago, so I couldn't record me I eat the food fully, but the fish was good, the Bammy was good, the plantain never the right taste, so I don't like it like that. Come Jamie. What kind of ice cream that look like?
Oreo, Oreo.
Get too much too.
Focus?
Wanna run you? I'm back to have dead. You jump off my mic. Don't touch it, don't touch it.
0 out of 10. This joke. 7.8 out of 10. No, I'm like 8.1. I feel like it's because it's your son. I don't know.
Right now, this is the ice cream, man. You go to Jamaica and buy our ice cream shop where they say they must sell what 50 type of ice cream. You taste like this at homemade. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.